Hello everyone, welcome back to the Novel Garden. In today's video, we are going to discuss Time Passes, the section 2, the second section of Virginia Woolf to the Lighthouse. In this video, you will get a short and easy summary of chapters 1 to 10, followed by the important themes and analysis of this section. So if you listen till the end, you will understand the section clearly and also get the important point you need to remember for exams, especially UGC NET. So now let's begin. Summary of Time Passes. Start with Paul, Minta, Andrew Pro and Lily return from the beach and gradually go to their rooms, one by one. They switch off their lamps and the Ramses house becomes dark and silent. Everyone is asleep except Augustus Carmichael, who stays awake reading Virgil. The lively house from the earlier section is now quiet and empty. Darkness completely covers the house. The furniture and other objects seem to disappear in the darkness, while the wind becomes the main presence in the empty house. It moves through the rooms over the wallpaper, books, flowers, and stays. At midnight, Carmichael finally blows out his candle and goes to sleep. The house is left completely dark. As time passes, autumn arrives, bringing strong and destructive wind. The trees bend, their leaves fall, and the whole house seems surrounded by confusion and darkness. Anyone who makes during the night receives no answer to questions about life or the world. In the middle of this passage of time, Mrs. Ramsay suddenly dies. The next morning, Mr. Ramsay walks through the house reaching out his arms, as if searching for her. After Mrs. Ramsay's death, the house is closed and its belongings are packed away, without people living in it. The wind begins to damage the furniture and other possessions. The house seems to ask whether everything will disappear with time. The objects appear to resist this destruction, but the house slowly becomes lifeless. Mrs. Emsineb, the housekeeper, occasionally comes to dust and look after the rooms. Mrs. Emsineb moves through the empty house while cleaning it. She is now an old and tired woman, very different from the person she was many years ago. While working, she wonders how long the house and its belongings can survive. The empty rooms remind her of the past, and sometimes a pleasant memory makes her work a little easier. Her presence shows the connection between memory, age, and the passing of time. Spring arrives again, and Pro Ramsay gets married. Everyone admires her beauty, but her happiness does not last long. She later dies because of an illness connected with childbirth. At the same time, Andrew Ramsay is killed in France during World War I. This death shows how suddenly life can be destroyed. Meanwhile, Augustus Carmichael published a book of poetry during the war and becomes more successful and respected. The days are calm and bright, but the nights are dark, wild, and stormy. The house becomes badly damaged and neglected. Mrs. Emsineb remembers Mrs. Ramsay. While cleaning, she doubts that the family will ever return. After the war, Mrs. Emsineb and Mrs. Bast clean the repairs the house. After 10 years, Lily Brosco returned to the house. Lily listens peacefully to the sea at night. Carmichael also returned. The house looks almost as it did 10 years ago. In the morning, Lily wakes up. Now that we have covered the important event of Time Passes section, let's move beyond the story and understand what Virginia Woolf is really trying to express. Unlike the window, which focuses on a few hours, Time Passes covers about 10 years in a very short space. Woolf shows how quickly time moves and changes everything. Important character dies, including Mrs. Ramsay, Pro, and Andrew. Their deaths are mentioned briefly, showing that human life can suddenly disappear. The Ramses house becomes empty. dirty, and damaged. It represents how time destroys things and slowly erases memory. The house as a symbol. Human becomes secondary in this section. Wolf focuses more on nature, the house, darkness, wind, and decay, than in people's thought and feeling. Human life seems small compared with the passage of time. Contrast with the window. The window, psychological time and inner thought shows. Time passes, chronological time and physical changes are shown. War and destruction. World War I affect the Ramses family deeply. World War I affect the Ramses family very deeply. Andrew dies in the war while Pro dies after childbirth. Their deaths represent the losses of young life and future possibilities. Mrs. Ramsay's sudden death is reported without an emotional death scene. Woolf deliberately avoids traditional sentimental writing to show the unexpected and ordinary nature of death. Nature and time. The wind, darkness, weeds, and decay show the power of nature and time. Even things that seem permanent and disappear. The destruction of Ramses' family and their house reflect the destruction caused by World War I in Europe. The damaged family represent a damaged past-ward society. Time passes shows that time is powerful and unstoppable. It brings death, destruction, change, and the loss of memories. While human beings remain only a small part of the larger moment of time. So now this was our complete discussion of Time Passes from Virginia Woolf to The Lighthouse. I hope this video helped you understand the summary, major themes and important ideas of this section in a simple way. And don't forget to check the description box where I have added important exam questions and answers, especially useful for UGC NET preparation. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next video with the Lighthouse section of The Lighthouse. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And yes, if you like my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.